I've never met a bad kid. I mean, I've ran into kids with low self-esteem and lost dreams. Kids with hand-me-down clothes and torn seams. Kids who come to school just for the warm heat. Kids who've lost hours of sleep from having nothing to eat. Kids with no mom and no dad, yet society wants to label them as so bad. I mean, I've met kids raised by the streets, enslaved by the sweets and engraved by the beats. Kids born to the hustle and normalized to the struggle. Kids who never heard a I love you. Middle schoolers who clutch pistols and kindergartners with trust issues. Wine bottle in front of mom's face, bars in front of dad's. Yet society wants to label these kids as bad. It's like adults reprimand, kick and scold them for their choices, yet neglect the step which involves listening to their voices. He's not a bad kid, he's a sad kid, masking the torment from what his dad did. She's not a mean girl, she's a low self-esteem girl, being crushed by the weight of this mean world. They're not vandals, they're doorways to the future with broken handles, and it's our job to fix them. It's our job to uplift them. A village can't raise a child if it refuses to praise a child based on who made the child. I've heard teachers say, not my job. I've heard administrators say, not my place. I'd still be in chains if all of white America said, not my race. Now, I'm not making excuses because there has to be accountability. I'm just saying when we start counting, let's not forget you and me. Take out the us versus them and insert the we. Place yourself in their shoes and dig for empathy. Close your eyes, open your hearts, and maybe you will see that there's no such thing as a bad kid, just a bad humanity. Bad at seeing past circumstances, bad at giving second chances, bad at gaining new perspectives, bad at taking new directives. Now I know what you're saying and you're thinking, get your tomatoes and grab your salt. Because I've never seen any bad kids, but I know a lot of bad adults.